Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Ropa De Beb is probably one of the most essential and heartwarming purchases any new parent will make, offering a delightful blend of comfort, style, and practicality for their precious little one. As you navigate the exciting journey of welcoming a baby into your life, selecting the perfect garments becomes a joyous yet sometimes overwhelming task, with countless options vying for your attention, each promising unparalleled softness and adorable designs to dress your infant in. This review aims to simplify that process, guiding you through the key features and considerations that truly matter when choosing clothing that will keep your baby cozy, happy, and looking absolutely charming throughout their early months. Number 5. Gerber Unisex-Baby 8-Pack Short Sleeve Onesies Bodysuits. Introducing the Gerber Unisex-Baby 8-Pack Short Sleeve Onesies Bodysuits. These bodysuits are perfect for your little one. Designed for ultimate comfort and practicality, they feature short sleeves for warmer days. The convenient design makes dressing and diaper changes a breeze. This 8-pack provides an essential wardrobe staple for your baby's everyday needs. You'll have plenty on hand for any occasion. Crafted from soft, gentle fabric, they ensure your baby's delicate skin stays comfortable all day long. Enjoy peace of mind with these high-quality essentials. Get great value with this 8-pack of onesies. It's a smart choice for parents looking for quality and quantity. What we like. These are incredibly soft and gentle on your baby's skin. The convenient snap closures make diaper changes a breeze. If you're looking for everyday essentials that offer great value and comfort, this pack is a fantastic choice for your little one. What people say. The material is super soft on his skin and holds up great after lots of washing. The snaps are good quality and easy to open close, which is a must for those constant diaper changes. The cotton fabric is soft and breathable, ideal for delicate skin, and the clasps make it much easier to change diapers. In addition, the fit is comfortable without tightening and they resist wash as well. Nice and thick but not too thick that they are a problem to get on and off. They wash and dry perfectly with no fraying or bobbling, have a good stretch to them, and the snaps work nicely. Number 4. Simple Joys by Carter's 6-piece bodysuit and pants set. Discover the Simple Joys by Carter's 6-piece set, designed for ultimate comfort and style. This collection offers a variety of short and long-sleeve bodysuits paired with cozy pants. Create endless adorable outfits with this versatile set. The mix and match pieces make dressing your baby a breeze, ensuring they look cute and feel great all day long. Crafted from soft, breathable fabrics, these bodysuits and pants are gentle on your baby's delicate skin. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they're comfortable in every wear. Whether it's playtime at home or a day out, this set is perfect for any occasion. The durable construction ensures it holds up to all your baby's adventures. Looking for the perfect gift? This essential set is a thoughtful and practical choice for new parents. It's a gift that will be cherished and used daily. Embrace the simple joys of parenthood with this thoughtfully designed clothing set. It provides the comfort and convenience every parent and baby needs. What we like. This set offers a great mix of short and long sleeve bodysuits, plus coordinating pants. It's perfect for adapting to changing weather throughout the day. If you want a versatile wardrobe starter with options for different temperatures and a touch of style, this is the set for you. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for sensitive baby skin. Easy to put on and take off, with snaps that are secure and don't pop open. The design is cute and gender neutral, making it a great gift option. Number 3. Simple Joys Kids Pram Ivory Bear Outerwear. Discover the charm of our new Pram collection. Designed for comfort and style, it's perfect for your little one's adventures. Crafted with the softest materials, this outerwear ensures your child stays warm and comfortable all day long. It's gentle on their skin. Featuring a delightful ivory bear print, this piece adds a touch of cuteness to any outfit. It's sure to be a favorite. Whether it's a stroll in the park or a day out, this Pram outerwear is the ideal choice. It offers both warmth and easy movement. We know convenience is key. This garment is designed for easy washing and durability, so it stays looking great. Bring a smile to your child's face with this charming outerwear. It's a wonderful addition to their wardrobe. What we like. This outerwear is designed to keep your little one snug and warm during colder outings. The charming bear design adds an extra layer of cuteness. If you need a stylish and functional piece to protect your baby from the chill, this is an excellent option for outdoor adventures. What people say. The material was soft and of very good quality and it kept her warm. It was very easy to get her in and out of it for diaper changes and we had no issues when washing it. This is so soft and warm. Perfect for Midwest late fall early winter walks. This version is much thicker than one that I purchased from Kohl's. The simple Joyous Kids Pram Ivory Bear outerwear is incredibly cozy and warm, exactly what you want for cooler weather. The fleece fabric is soft and comfortable, and it keeps little ones snug without feeling too heavy or bulky. The design is adorable, especially with the barrier hood, which adds a cute, playful touch. The full-length zipper makes dressing and diaper changes really convenient, and the safety chin tab helps prevent irritation. The footed design is another big plus because it keeps their feet warm without needing extra socks. For busy parents, the fact that it's machine washable and holds up well after multiple washes is very helpful. Number 2. Rockin Green Classic Rock Laundry Detergent. Introducing our Classic Rock Laundry Detergent, a powerful plant-based solution for your laundry needs. It effectively tackles odors while being gentle on sensitive skin. Experience the benefits of an all-natural, vegan, and biodegradable formula. This detergent is designed to be tough on dirt but kind to the environment. Say goodbye to stubborn odors with our biodegradable formula. It's designed to leave your clothes fresh and clean, naturally. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why our detergent is safe for even the most sensitive skin types, providing a comfortable clean. Enjoy the refreshing scent of sea breeze with every wash. This 45-ounce container provides 90 loads of cleaning power, ensuring long-lasting freshness for your family. What we like. This detergent is made with natural, plant-based ingredients that are gentle on delicate skin. It effectively tackles odors without harsh chemicals. If you prioritize eco-friendly cleaning and need a detergent that's safe for sensitive skin, this is the perfect choice for your laundry needs. What people say. This is an amazing and effective laundry detergent. Don't expect a lingering scent, but your clothes will be so clean. I have done some next-level stain removal with this as a tool, baseball pants, mustard stain, deodorant buildup. The quality of this product is unmatched. I have used it for many years cloth diapering many children and it never has let me down. Tried to go to a cheaper non-fragranced soap and nope, it made the diapers terribly unusable. So if you're looking for a solid tried and true diaper soap that you can use to wash diapers as well as strip if they need a bit more soaking, this is your soap. This product really does seem to remove odors, not just mask them, so performance-wise I'd suggest it. I sweat a lot and have ruined many shirts because of the baked-in deodorant sweat stench that won't go away no matter how it's washed or pre-treated. A pre-soak and wash with this did the trick. Number 1. The Peanutshell Baby Layette Gift Set for Girls. Welcome your little one with a thoughtfully curated gift set. It includes everything you need for those precious early months. Dress your baby girl in charming floral patterns. These outfits are designed to be as cute as she is. This set covers all the newborn essentials you'll need. From cozy onesies to practical accessories, it's all here. Made with soft, gentle fabrics, it ensures your baby's comfort all day long. Perfect for delicate newborn skin. Sized perfectly for newborns aged 0 to 3 months. This collection ensures a great fit as they grow. With 23 pieces included, this is a comprehensive gift set. It's the ultimate starter pack for any new parent. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything a new baby girl needs, all in one convenient package. It features a delightful floral theme and includes a wide array of clothing and essentials. If you're preparing for a newborn or looking for the ultimate baby shower gift, this all-inclusive Layette set is an ideal selection. What people say. The fabric on all the items is so soft. Great set with a ton of pieces. Perfect for anyone having a baby. Soft, adorable, and the absolute perfect gift set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.